Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So on the ETH chart, you can see that the market has been rejected from a trend line here. Yeah, you see that here on our larger time frame overview. We have on this chart the RSI opened, the relative strength index, and you can see that a break above this trend line on the relative strength index has in the past led to a nice breakout on the price chart as well. Okay, so this was the case in April, this was the case in July, yeah, and now we are back below the trend line. Okay, below a trend line like that. It's a similar pattern, and we have a price chart resistance line as well, which we expected to be broken to get a 5-wave move up, which is the confirmation that the September low was a really meaningful low. But actually, the RSI trend line was not broken. That's actually not unexpected because if you recall from previous videos, I highlighted to you that, first of all, there is resistance, there is a trend line, there is a price trend line as well, but that price trend line needed to break to give us 5 waves, okay? Now the market gave us now these 5 waves to the upside, which indicates, as I said, that the trend might be up. But after a 5-wave move up, a pullback is due. So it was really due. Ethereum so far doing everything what it needs to do to fulfill the pattern we were watching for. Yeah, a 1-2 setup. Nothing unexpected today. A bit of selling pressure, yep, but nothing unexpected whatsoever. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame for ETH. That's the ETH short-term chart for you guys. And you can see that it's been unfolding nicely. We have a 5-wave move up from this low in September. This is everything zoomed in. What we wanted to see is really this 5-wave move up to be completed. We defined a target area here for that 5th wave a few days ago between $4,656 and $4,769. And from there, we have seen a rejection, a bit of a pullback. Yeah. Break out of the channel to the downside was our first signal. Remember what I always teach. We have a 5-wave move up, overlapping price structures, ABC structures in the subwaves. That's a diagonal pattern. What does Elliott wave teach us? It teaches us that after a diagonal pattern is complete, usually the pullback is very sharp. Doesn't always have to happen, but it is something to watch out for. So I treat this move down as the A wave of a larger wave 2 correction. From there, we could get a B wave bounce and a C wave decline. This is what I'm going to track and going to watch for over the coming days. Do we need this larger BC pattern? No, but it would be somewhat likely. Yeah, the move down looks impulsive. Maybe the A wave could even form another low. And then the next bounce, if it is corrective, it would set the stage for a C wave decline to complete this wave 2 correction. Important is that the wave 2 ideally does not break below $4,000. That's the 78.6 retrace level of that 5-wave move up that formed. And then, yeah, so we're tracking here an ABC structure to the downside. And from there, higher prices are possible. But the wave 2 should ideally hold that 78.6 fib level. Once we have a local low in place, I will define resistance for you guys and keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, feel free to join the MCO community. The membership links are in the description. And I wish you a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.